welcome to the micro-credential module, Eliciting Students' Mathematics Thinking through Math Talk. My name is Lacey Knight, and I'll be your facilitator for this course. Right now I'm on the home page for this course. So how I got there is I clicked on Courses in Canvas, and I clicked on Eliciting Students' Mathematics Thinking through Math Talk. This will take you to the home page where it has a lot of information for you. There's a quick overview of the class with the end learning objectives and the course expectations. You'll also be able to click to see the syllabus, a little bio about me, and your first assignment, which is to introduce yourself. Over here on the right-hand side is very important. This is a to-do list for you. So you'll see all of the upcoming assignments that are due in the recent future. I'm going to pay more attention to this left-hand side menu. So I'm going to click on almost each one of these just to kind of show you through what the course in Canvas looks like. So if I click on syllabus, I have the course overview that you can take some time to read through. It's very similar to the home page. And it also has course outline and assignments. This is very important to keep yourself organized so you stay on track and get all of your assignments turned on time. So it breaks it down the week, the topic, and what the assignments are going to be due for that week. That way you can stay organized and kind of plan ahead. So again, I'm on this left-hand side menu. If I were to put an announcement, they would show up here. However, I don't have any right now. I will be having office hours every Thursday from 4 to 5. And that is shown right here when you click on course syllabus. And that will be through Zoom. It's not quite set up just yet, so I'm not going to click on it. Modules is the most important part. This is where you kind of have the course shell for this micro-credential module. It's where all of the assignments are listed in order of how you need to complete them. So once you are here, there's a welcome. You've already made it here because you're watching the welcome video with the tips. That's where this is. And if we scroll down, I'll kind of give you a week-by-week breakdown. So week 1 is the only thing that you'll be able to click on at first. And that's just about introducing yourself and getting to know other participants in this course. And you'll notice right here that it says you must complete all items. You must complete this item before being able to move on to part 1. You'll also see right here it says prerequisites, introductions to week 1. So this is all grayed out. You cannot click on it until you complete your introductions from week 1. That's how this entire course will go. The next module will not open up until you have completed the prerequisites. So week 1 is all about introductions. Week 2 is all about learning about what are math talks. So you'll get some information through a slideshow, you'll take a quiz, you'll get to watch some videos and rate those math talks, and you'll also read an article to help you learn a little bit more. After part 1, you're going to actually move on to implementing math talks in your classroom. That's the goal of this course, to be able to implement math talks with your students. So part 2, which is weeks 3 and 4, you'll have a whole week to video record yourself and upload it here, and then your peers will be able to watch it and respond to you by the following Friday. So make sure that after you upload your video, you are taking time to look at your peers' videos and giving them really constructive feedback so that they can improve for their proficiency check. After part 2, part 3 is all about reaching proficiency. Now this might take some people one try, and it might take other people multiple tries, and that's okay. Our goal is that we get better each time, so it's okay if you don't pass the very first time. We have a growth mindset. We continue to go back and try new things and get better each time. So part 3 is your proficiency check. Again, you will record yourself, and there's an assignment where you reflect on the rubric and you give yourself a level for each part of the rubric, which you'll get to look into. And then I will be grading your proficiency check. Only when you pass with an 8 out of 12 will you be able to move on to the reflection. If you do not pass, I will give you very thorough constructive feedback where you will be able to then resubmit at a later time. So we have 8 weeks for this class. I believe we end the first week of December. So you do need to continue to resubmit if you would like to get credit for this course. Make sure you do this in a timely manner, and I will make sure to grade in a timely manner. Coming back up here, course materials, that link hasn't been working for me, and discussions, assignments, and quizzes. What it does is it takes all the discussions, assignments, and quizzes from these modules and kind of separates them. But I think the best way to look at the assignments is modules so that they're grouped in the correct order. Your grades is an important place to check so you know that you're completing all of your assignments. And I think that's the important part of this module. I look forward to working with you. Please contact me at any time if you have any questions. And I can't wait to see all of you guys grow.